Now coming to my conference, I would say that my conference was very pretty good. I would say morning we got up, we had our means breakfast, and there was like a slight, what you can say, slight fear in mind, or fear in your heart, like whether I'm getting recommended or not recommended. But this time I thought that either I'm getting recommended or not recommended, nothing gonna change. The thing gonna change is like my experience. So I got a very good experience. I shared very good time with my friends. I got very good experience about moving in COVID. I was very settled with my mind, so I was not expecting any result. Let it be any result, I will be the same person what I am. So I thought that okay, now we just have to see the result. Now in conference when I went there, it was like all of us were going, like in COVID they were not taking a lot of time for people who are not selected. So it was like a very damn doubt in my mind whether I will be taken as a doubt candidate or not, or directly they will route me back. So when I went in, I saw that 26 chest number 26 who got recommended, he got, like they took around 10 to 15 or 20 minutes for him, where he was asked hell lot of questions. Then he went down. Then we were waiting a lot because we were last chest numbers. Then came chest number 39 who also they took some time. Then chest number 40 who came and he went off, and we were there in line. Then when my time came, I think around 10 to 20 seconds some discussion or something took, because I was seeing people moving out, and then I directly went in. Then they asked just one question to me, that was like, which attempt was this? I said it was my 8th attempt, 5 conference and 2 screen out. Then he asked me one question, that is like, which was your best attempt? Then that was an obvious answer which I performed well, was this attempt. I said that this is my best attempt. And he said, okay, thank you Prathamesh, you can move on. And that is all for the date, and the results will be announced soon. And he said that all the best, we hope that you do good in your future. Then I went out, and when the results were announcing, that was the same hall. I would say that last time when I got conference out and my friend got recommended, this was the same hall where I was sitting last time, from where I was routed back as a conference out. And I was happy that my friend got recommended in that attempt, and I was sitting on the same I can say same benches which were kept. So I was hoping my chest number was been called out. Then they called the chest number in series, like 26, 39, 40, but I was expecting my chest number because my performance, whatever I gave, was good. So I was looking for all my teammates, and everyone were like, they were closing their eyes, they were smiling, and they said that don't worry, you will, means everyone noted each other that our group was best, and any one of us is getting recommended, we all will be happy. Then it was like chest number 46. Then I was very happy. I kept my mask there. I went on the stage. I was with my cheerful smile, I was looking at everyone. Everyone was satisfied with the result. That was very good, what I saw in my group. Like no one was like, okay, no one was like he got recommended and we didn't got. Maybe I was feeling bad that some few days before I was there, but I was happy that finally I made it. And I would say that I was very happy listening that many of us now, after that, my teammates are getting recommended back to back. Like chest number 44, he got recommended recently. I'm happy for him, and slowly I'm thinking that I shared my experience with him. I shared with my teammates. I shared with a couple of friends. I hope that all of you get recommended soon, and my experience, whatever I shared with you all, would bring good news in your life. I hope that my experience would help you all in cracking your own SSBs, and I'm waiting that you people get recommended and come up with very good flying colors, and I wish you all for your SSBs, and you do well in your SSB. And I thank you, Rahul, for giving me this opportunity to speak with, share my experience with you all. And I hope that my experience may turn up good teaching for you all. And subsequently, if certain things are required, I will answer your questions in FAQ question session, and we will try to make a video on that to make it very detailed one. Thank you.
I hope that you have gained a lot of experience of his and tips and tricks जो भी भैया ने दिए थे, ठीक है, आपको बहुत समझ में आए होंगे. Fine. So coming back to the point, Prathamesh wanted me to give something to you guys, okay, and also I was thinking something like this, so he boosted my confidence to do something like this, okay. So what we are planning at this moment is, so I have a lot of e-books, right? For example, कर्नल MM नेहरू का नो फ्रिल्स एकेडमी का SSB बुक, SSB गाइड जो है उनकी बुक, जो कि उन्होंने पर्सनली लिखी है, ठीक है. फिर SSB क्रैक के ई बुक फॉर SSB एंड ई बुक फॉर OIR, एंड डिफेंस डाइट एजुकेशन का जो बुक है उनका OIR के लिए, एंड 2 more OIR के ई बुक्स है मेरे पास. फाइन. सो ऑल दिस गिव अवे along with one physical book that is my favorite book, that is for maths preparation for every kind of examination. For example, CDS हो गया, AFCAT हो गया, CAPF हो गया, SSC CGL हो गया. सो फास्ट ट्रैक की ऑब्जेक्टिव अरिहंस की पब्लिकेशन जो है, ठीक है, ये बुक, ये फिजिकल बुक जो है, ये फिजिकल बुक जो मैं प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूँ. सो ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. फाइन. ऑल दिस इज फॉर यू गाइस. सो व्हाट इज द कॉन्टेस्ट? what you have to do for this moment? सब्सक्राइब करना है चैनल को, लाइक करना है, शेयर करना है. Comment one question that you felt that yes, this is the question which you need to ask to Prathamesh. Fine, because he is a recommended guy and we are planning to make another video for it also, in which FAQs रहेंगे. आप ही के questions उठा के मैं उनसे पूछूंगा. Fine, so he is going to give the answers for that. So एक comment करना है, and you need to follow 2 Instagram handles जो कि मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. एक मेरा है, एक मेरा दोस्त का है जो कि क्लोजली काम कर रहा है इस चैनल के लिए. फाइन. ही इज माई फ्रेंड, ही इज माई कलीग, ओके. सो आपको इन दोनों को भी फॉलो करना है. सो वी आर गोइंग टू हैव दिस, वी आर गोइंग टू चेक दिस 20th of November. 20th of November को FAQ का वीडियो आएगा, उसी में भैया पिक करेंगे एक विनर जो कि फिजिकल बुक के साथ सारे ई बुक को प्रोवाइड करने वाले हम लोग, एंड बाकी के 10 जो क्वेश्चंस होंगे, बाकी जो भी 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे उन सबको ई बुक्स प्रोवाइड करने वाला हूं मैं पर्सनली. Fine. So this is it. This is a sweet kind of gesture from my side to you guys, so that you can feel motivated. So that is it, yeah. If you have not subscribed, I want you to subscribe this channel.